I never thought that pouring egg liquid into black fungus and stirring it with chopsticks could turn into a restaurant-style dish. It costs 48 yuan per serving at a restaurant, but you can make it at home for just 5 yuan. First, prepare some black fungus and put it in a bowl. Pour in a spoonful of sugar and a spoonful of flour, then add enough warm water to soak the black fungus. Sugar helps speed up the soaking process, while flour absorbs impurities and dust hidden in the black fungus. Stir well and set aside. Next, prepare 1 green and 1 red pepper. Cut off the tops, slice them in half, and remove the seeds inside. Then cut them into wide strips and finally into small pieces. Place them on a plate. Do the same for both the green and red peppers and mix them together. Now, prepare half an onion and cut it into wide strips, then into small pieces. After cutting, loosen the pieces with your hands and place them in a bowl. In a separate bowl, crack in 3 eggs and stir well with chopsticks until the whites and yolks are fully combined. Keep stirring until the egg mixture becomes smooth and well mixed. Set aside. Next, prepare a few cloves of garlic. Slice them thinly, then finely mince them. Chop some green onions into small pieces. Cut a piece of ginger into thin slices, then into thin strips, and finally mince it. Set all the aromatics on a plate. Let's now make a sauce. In a bowl, pour 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 spoonful of salt, 1 spoonful of chicken essence, 1 spoonful of pepper, and 1 spoonful of cornstarch. Finally, add a small bowl of water and stir well until the sauce is fully mixed. Set aside. By now, the black fungus should be fully soaked and expanded. Wash it thoroughly by hand to remove any remaining dust or dirt. After the first rinse, transfer it to clean water and wash it several times until the water is clear. Then take it out and let it drain. Boil water in a pot, then pour in the black fungus and cook it for about 2 minutes. After boiling, remove the black fungus and place it in cold water to cool. This keeps the texture crisp. Squeeze out the excess water and transfer the black fungus to a large bowl. Pour the mixed egg liquid into the bowl of black fungus. Stir well so that the fungus is evenly coated with egg. Set aside. Heat a pan and pour in an appropriate amount of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the black fungus and egg mixture. Use a spatula to spread it out evenly. Cook on medium heat and let the bottom set. Rotate the pan to ensure even heating. Once one side is cooked, flip it and fry the other side until golden. After both sides are fried, break it into smaller pieces and set aside. In another pan, pour in a little cooking oil. Once hot, add the onion, ginger, and garlic. Stir fry on high heat to bring out the aroma. Then add the green and red peppers along with the onions. Continue stir-frying until the vegetables are cooked and fragrant. Add the fried black fungus and egg mixture. Stir well to combine everything evenly. Finally, pour in the prepared sauce and stir-fry again until all ingredients are fully coated and flavored. Once done, turn off the heat and transfer to a serving plate. This simple and delicious home-cooked stir-fry is ready. The fried black fungus and egg are flavorful, rich, and so tasty. I could eat it 5 times a week and never get tired of it. It's that good. Okay, if you like it, try it. See you next time.